This is the final crumble, episode 2, 20-layer cookie skyscraper demolition. We built a cookie skyscraper, 20 layers tall, each one a different cookie base, chocolate chunk, lemon sugar, red velvet swirl, pistachio, toffee crunch, and more. Cookie butter mortar, marshmallow glue, peanut brittle support beams, caramel windows, frosting balconies. It stood tall, proud, perfect. Until we pulled the chocolate fuse. Boom! The skyscraper implodes floor by floor, cracking, sliding, frosting, raining like ash. One glorious cookie collapse in slow motion. And yes, we ate the wreckage. What should fall next?